Hello everyone, I'm Rich with Corbin Russwin Architectural Hardware, and today's tech tip is discussing the issues that are experienced when the lever trim does not retract the latch fully. On this ED5000 series, when I rotate the lever, the latch does not pull all the way in. This is typically caused by the orientation of the hub and the trim slide on the back of the exit device. On this device, the hub and the crescent piece on the back are facing away from the trim slide. So when we turn the hub, the crescent does not push the trim slide far enough to retract the latch completely. So we're going to remove the trim slide and rotate the hub and the crescent and reinstall the trim slide. And now the hub rotates the crescent and gets the latch to retract fully. And then we can slide the bottom rail cover back over. With the hub oriented correctly, the lever trim will now retract the latch fully. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please contact tech support at 888-607-5703, extension 1, or email us at techsupport.corbinrusswin@asaabloy.com.